Today here we show fix TikTok watermark not showing on videos. First of all, open the TikTok on your device. Here you can see that watermark is not available. Now watch next video. Watermark is not even see here. Now go to your profile. Here tap on three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Next tap on privacy and settings. Here scrolling down and tap on report a problem. Next here scrolling down and tap on abuse report. Next tap on how to report. Now tap on other. Next here tap on still have problem. Now here write your problem and send. My account's watermark is not coming on my TikTok videos. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Here write this line. After write this line, enter your email ID. Now after some time, you can see the watermark on your videos. Next and last, tap on send. Subscribe the channel iTechHub for more videos.